Hey, you disgusting little mutt. Got a little fucking surprise for you today. I'm gonna be burping, and you're just gonna take it. Okay? I have to burp right now. Open your mouth and come a little closer. Come a little closer. How'd that one smell? That one came a little strong there because I spit up some throw up there. Ooh. Open your mouth, and when I burp, you're gonna breathe in my burpy air and swallow it, okay? That one came straight from the heart. Just for you, little burp bitch. How cute. All over your disgusting, pathetic face. Glad you got to get the shitty end of that one. Honestly, when I burp on you, it tickles my insides. It just makes me really happy knowing that my disgusting, dirty breath is just getting blown all over you. It's a warm feeling, right? Okay. Open your mouth. Come a little closer. Keep your nose peeled. That's all I want to see you doing right now. Yummy. Is that lunch cooking, or is that just the fucking aftermath? Ooh. Smelly. Fuck. Smell those onions. Breathe it in, bitch. Getting a little turned on by this. Just to let you know, you're not allowed to touch yourself, so you could stop squirming around and playing with yourself. And you can start opening your mouth and breathing in this fucking disgusting air. You like Pixie's aroma? Like that smell in your just dirty little fucking nose? I do it so good, don't I? You know what? Give me a compliment. Princess Pixie, you are what? Huh? That was a pathetic thing to say to a girl. That's why you don't get laid. Okay, here's another one for you. This time, why don't you just close your eyes. Pretend you're on the beach. Pretend that me and you are just sitting there on the sand, and I lean in to give you a kiss. And then all of a sudden, I look at you and I go, fuck you. How romantic, huh? That was for you.